Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to create variable product for your WooCommerce WordPress website. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your plugins from over here and then it's gonna be pretty simple. Go to add new, search for WooCommerce, click on it and then wait until the page loads, install now and then activate it. So when you finish with that, all I need you to do is go to your installed plugins, check if it is activated from the active section, and then from here guys, what I will need you to do is if it is activate, that means that you are good. If not, go to inactive and search for it and activate it, and if there is any updates, just update it. When you finish, click on refresh the page and you will notice that there is some kind of new menu that has been added to your website. So now how we can actually make some variable uh, products, so many products that are so much different. Let's go to products and let's create our first product, which is gonna be a physical product. So for example, here I will name it Pringles Tree, and here I will add a small description. So Pringles Tree, here we go, heading, delicious snack for your day. And here I will just go and add a product image. Here we go. And here I will just put the price. So this is the first product that we have and I will add it to snacks. So publish. This is the first one. Now here let's click add new and let's make the second kind of product that we can sell. So we can sell, for example, a gift card, which is going to be a code. So how we can do it? So here gift card. Let's add here gift card, for example, for Walmart, something like that. Here we can pick something like that for the gift card and we make it heading, and here you just have to put the image. And basically now what I'm going to do is click on virtual, and here I will just add it to, for example, technology, and click on publish. This is the second variation of product that you can get in WooCommerce. The third variation, which is a new, and let's click, for example, let's say that we set in Photoshop. So Photoshop, here we add the same thing, make it bold, heading, here an image, and now what I'm going to do is actually make it downloadable. Here I'm going to put the price, and here download file. So here I will add the file, and here the limits like how many downloads you can get from this. For example, I can get, for example, 2 downloads, and here expires. So let's add number of days before the download expires. So let's make it 60 days, and after that I will click on publish. And here we go. If I went now to products, I will find that I have 3 product difference. One is actually digital, the other 2 are, one of them are like downloadable, and the other one is actually physical. So guys, that's what it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.